Hi guys, this is Huma. I hope you all are doing really well. So today I thought I'd do a review on this Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep. It's like a paste which you apply on your face by Patanjali. Like Patanjali products are raving. They are selling like this. They have a lot of demand in the Indian market nowadays because first because of the pricing for sure. Second, Patanjali has a very good brand equity as well as goodwill. So because of that they are growing really well. So I thought why not do a review. The Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep was suggested by my friend Meenakshi. If you're watching, hi Meenakshi, how are you? So yeah, let's see how this works on. This is my first time try, so I also want to know how this actually works. This is like first time trying in front of camera as well. Like it would be like an honest review. So yeah, let's see how does this goes. It's the Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep. This is how it looks. It comes in a plastic bottle like so. This you get for tablets. Its MRP is like 70 rupees and it smells terrible, but not terrible. It has all that, you know, the things which you apply like based on what is that, sandal, you know, sandal and sandalwood, all that smell it has. So let's see how this works. So according to the direction to use, it says to mix 2 to 5 grams with honey, milk, rose water or aloe vera juice. The paste shall be prepared and applied gently on the face. Allow it to dry for 1 to 2 hours. So it's like a huge process. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. And they say use it once a day. So, however, I'll just use it alternate days because I don't have that much of time as well as time to use this for every 1 hour in the day. Sleep on this and all that stuff. So yeah, let's see the procedure, how to make the paste and all that stuff, right?
Okay, so we are gonna mix the Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep. I'm gonna use milk and aloe vera. I'm just gonna pour it. This is just eyeballing everything, so to form like a thick consistency with paste form. I'm just gonna mix all of that.
So that was how you make this paste. So I'm just gonna apply this on my skin and just give my review on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it. We usually apply a paste or something. It's totally herbal. I can like smell every ingredient, though I don't know what each ingredient notifies me about. Applied the mask, as you all can see. To be honest, it is a little tinkly because it's tinkling my skin a little bit. I guess it's working. Let's see after an hour. It's right now 11:15. I just washed it off by 12:15 like so, and I've just applied on my entire face except my mouth and my eye area and my ears. I've also applied on my neck. So yeah, let's see whether the Patanjali thing is worth its expectations, if that makes sense. Let's see. This is how it looks after being dry for 1 hour. It's like 12 or 20 now. It's like super dry. I don't know why it said 1 hour because after applying it for 15 minutes itself, it was like dry, and now it feels like hard surface. So I'm just gonna wash my face with lukewarm water and let's see whether this is worth the jazz. I'm gonna massage this on the skin. Wash my face because it will take ages for me to just rub. So yeah, let me just wash my face. So I just washed my face and I'm loving the glow it gave me. I had a lot of tan and I guess it has removed some amount of tan and my skin feels fresh and light and all of that great things which every girl wishes to have when anyone looks at her skin. And I guess it is worth its expectations. Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep has lived up. I also had a little bit of acne, well not acne, I had a little bit of pimple spots here. It has compressed those spots. I guess that's working. If I apply like every day on that area, those spots will just vanish. However, my skin wrinkles now also, so I'm just gonna apply my aloe vera gel because I can't live without aloe vera gel, and that's again the Patanjali. So now I have Patanjali girl because I use Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep, aloe vera gel and whatnot. I'm just gonna apply this what is this, aloe vera gel with Patanjali, massage it on my skin. right. So now coming to the cons and benefits of the mask. First, pricing. It's priced at 70, so it's very affordable. Second, it lives up to expectation. It does reduce your pimple and acne scars. It makes it evens out your skin like in the first go, which you have seen with me because I'm trying this mask the first time ever. Third thing is it makes your skin plump and it brings that moisture. It not actually brings the moisture, but you can see the glow in your skin. I guess you all can see what I am seeing. So yeah. Coming to the con of this mask, it's like super drying. It is not feasible for dry skin because it's feasible for oily skin and combination skin. I personally have combination skin, so I can manage with this, but it is not for dry skin, that is for sure, because you have to keep this mask for 1 hour and this dries out your skin a little bit to just even out, because every mask dries out your skin which has a little bit of haldi, besan and this mask has besan and haldi, so this is not for dry skin. Second con of this mask is like if you have a lot of facial hair on your face, when you just massage this mask, it feels super painful because that hair gets into the mask and it's not good. So it's not good for those people also who have a lot of facial hair. Third thing is that it smells pura herbal. I actually like the herbal smell, so it's good for me, but there are certain people who don't like that nature is a herbal smell because it has sandalwood, haldi and whatnot, natural ingredients. It smells pura, like totally herbal, so that is like a little bit of con. And yeah, that was it. I hope you all enjoyed my I hope you all enjoyed my review on the Patanjali Divya Kanti Lep. I am coming up with more Patanjali series wherein I'm gonna review every product of Patanjali, give my views, opinions, and all, because Patanjali is growing like super fast. There's everyone now using Patanjali, if I'm not wrong. Patanjali is clashing all the international brands which are coming. It's like I am Indian and I'm gonna stay here. I know that was super lame, but still. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Take care. Bye.